Good morning, students. So in last class we are discussing about K2Cr2O7. So preparation is over and their structures, hybridization, bond angle, everything is over. Now we are going to discuss about chemical properties. See here in acidic medium, so 6 electrons are exchanged. So for K2Cr2O7, you remember A6. So acidic medium 6 electrons are exchanged. So means basic equation. Suppose you take K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4. See, this is the basic equation in acidic medium. So whatever the K2Cr2O7, generally we are asking about in acidic medium only. See, here if both are reacted, what happens? So whatever the reaction, here you take plus and minus. Here also you take plus and minus. So this plus combined with this minus. See here. So potassium is a plus. So here chromium oxidation state. 7 2s are 14 minus 14. So here plus 2. Remaining 2 chromiums is a plus 12. In acidic medium what happens? 6 electrons are exchanged. So 6 electrons means you are getting 2 chromium plus 3. So 1 chromium plus 3, 2R means plus 6. So this is a fundamental. So in acidic medium, chromium plus 6 become as chromium plus 3. Otherwise 2 chromiums plus 12 become as 2 chromiums plus 6. Total 6 electrons exchanges. So in acidic medium it becomes as chromium plus 3. Oxygen is minus 2. So these ions. So here H plus is there. SO4 minus 2 is there. So what you are getting products? See, K plus combining with SO4 minus 2. Your answer is K2SO4 plus. Next chromium plus 3, SO4 minus 2. So chromium Cr2SO4 taken thrice plus hydrogen and oxygen, you are getting H2O plus. See, 2 potassiums balanced, 2 chromiums, yes, 2 chromiums balanced, SO4, here 1 SO4, here 3 SO4, total 4. So that's why I am taking 4 2SO4. So next hydrogens, here 4 2s are 8. So here also you are getting 4. Now you think about oxygen, here 7 oxygens are there. So here 4 oxygens, remaining 3 oxygens are there. So you write down 3 nascent oxygens. So whatever the potassium permanganate, that potassium dichromate in acidic medium, this is the basic equation. By using this, whatever the problem you can solve. So that means, suppose I will give one question. So K2Cr2O7 react with hydrogen iodide in the presence of acidic medium. What happens? So this is the question. So because of oxygen is coming outside, this is acting as an oxidizing agent. So majority K2Cr2O7 we think about oxidizing agent. For this reaction, first you take the basic equation. K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4 gives rise K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 taken thrice plus 4H2O plus 3 oxygens. So this is the basic equation. Now you take HI. Now the HI is taken that oxygen, nascent oxygen. So means 2 hydrogens are required. So you are getting H2O plus I2. See, in basic equation you are getting 3 oxygens. Here utilizing 1 oxygen. So that's why this reaction is multiplied with 3. So now you balance. So 3 oxygens cancelled. So your basic K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4 plus 2HI, 2 3s are 6, 6HI gives rise. So K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 taken thrice plus here 4 plus 3, 7H2O plus 3I2. See, this is a balanced equation, but in your textbook what they are provided means, see, who are cancellation here and there, so you can cancel. Here 2 potassiums are there, here 2 potassiums are there, you cancel. So that means here Cr2O7 minus 2 plus here 4 2s are 8H plus are there. So here 8H plus 6H plus 8 plus 6 14H plus. Here 4 sulfates, here 4 sulfates, you cancel. Next here 6I minus gives rise. So potassium so sulfates are cancelled. Here what? 2 chromium plus 3 plus 7H2O plus 3I2. See, in your textbook they are provided this much. So directly in textbook they are provided this much only. If you by heart means you can't do anything. First of all, systematically you must come. You take basic equation that oxygens are utilizing. Next, left side compounds or right side compounds, anything is cancellation, you cancel. At last you will get this answer. Next, some other examples we will see. So K2Cr2O7, I am taking Na2SO3 in acidic medium. What happens? So first of all, you take that basic equation. Next, this Na2SO3 is taking that nascent oxygen, so then it becomes as Na2SO4. So here one nascent oxygen utilizing, here 3 are coming, so you multiply with 3. So then your answer is K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4 plus 3 Na2SO3 gives rise. Here 3 nascent oxygens cancel. So you are getting K2SO4, Cr2SO4 taken thrice plus 4H2O plus 3 Na2SO4. See, cancellation means you can cancel. So that is what? Cr2O7 minus 2 plus. So 4 2s are 8. 8H plus 6 Na cancelled. So 3 SO3 minus 2 gives rise. Potassium sulfates, everything is gone. Chromium is plus 3, sulfates gone, plus 4H2O, plus 3 2s are Na gone. So you are getting SO4 minus 2, 3. In your textbook this much only they will provide. But basically you come like this, then only you can solve. Here. Next, suppose organic chemistry problem if you are taken means, so KMnO4, K2Cr2O7 both are famous in our organic chemistry. Suppose you are taken here alcohol CH3 CH2OH in acidic medium. So this is a powerful oxidizing agent. So alcohol first become as aldehyde, next that become as acid. So it will take 2 moles of oxygen. So here question mark. So then, So first of all, basic equation you must write. In this CH3 CH2OH taken two oxygens become S. So you are getting CH3COOH. So alcohol become as acid. Alcohol become as acid. Next, here one hydrogen with oxygen. So H2O is eliminated. See here, outcoming is 3 oxygens. Here utilizing 2 oxygens. So how to balance these two? So this is multiplied with 2. This is multiplied with 3. So then only balance is happened. So this is multiplied with 3. This is multiplied with 2. So 3 2s are 6 oxygens gone, 3 2s are 6 oxygens are gone. So now this is your balance. So 2 K2 Cr2O7 plus 4 2s are 8 H2SO4 plus 3 moles of alcohol gives rise 2 K2SO4 2 Cr2SO4 taken thrice plus 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 water plus 3 moles of acid. So these reactions, so logically you can move, don't by heart any equation. So KMNO4 reactions also similar to like this only. Next, suppose any other example. K2Cr2O7. So react with SO2 gas in acidic medium. What happens? They are asking question. So that also, first of all you take what? Basic equation. K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4 gives rise. You write K2SO4 Cr2SO4 taken thrice plus 4H2O plus 3 nascent oxygens. So this is the basic equation. Now SO2. So SO2 is taking one oxygen, become as SO3. Now SO3 is a product, water also product. So SO3 react with water. SO3 react with water. You are getting H2SO4. H2SO4. So here 3 oxygens are coming. You are utilizing 1. So that's why I am multiplied with 3. Here 3 SO3s are coming. So here also you multiply with 3. So this is over. Now here 3 oxygens cancelled. So 3SO3, 3SO3 cancelled. So next, left side 3 water is there. Right side 4 water is there. So that's why 3 water is cancelled, here 1 water. So your answer is K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4 plus 3SO2 gives rise. So K2SO4 Cr2SO4 taken thrice. Here 1 water plus 3H2SO4. So it is the balance. Next. So these are the important chemical properties of K2Cr2O7. Next important compound is KMnO4, potassium permanganate. So in D block element we have two important compounds. One is K2Cr2O7, another one is KMnO4. So second important compound, that is KMnO4, potassium permanganate. So here, preparation, structure, chemical properties, common things. So here, preparations. So preparation of this. So this is mainly extracted from pyrolusite ore. So pyrolusite ore. That formula is MnO2. Say, step 1. So the pyrolusite ore is treated with Na2CO3 in the presence of air. Air is nothing but oxygen. So base air. So you are getting that. So here, direct potassium only. So instead of Na2CO3, you take KOH. So direct only you can get. So base in the presence of air, you will get K2MnO4. So this is potassium manganate. So you write down the matter in what way. The pyrolusite ore is treated with KOH in the presence of air. Then it gives potassium manganate. You write down that matter. After that you write this equation. Next, step 2. The above potassium manganate K2MnO4 treated with acidic medium. So treated with acidic medium, otherwise electrolysis. So then you will get potassium permanganate. So KMnO4. So in what way you write the matter? The above potassium manganate you treated with acidic medium or electrolysis. Then it gives potassium permanganate. So here the important one, two important. One is the potassium manganate to potassium permanganate. So KMnO4 and K2MnO4. So you treat with base. Means OH minus. You will get K2MnO4. Here to here. So you take with acid. So means H plus. So this is a purple color. This is a green color. So whatever we discussed in K2Cr2O7, same manner also. In K2Cr2O7, what are the important compounds? K2Cr2O7, KCrO4. K2CrO4, this is what? In basic medium. It is from here to here, acidic medium. So this is orange color. This is orange color, this is a red color. Same manner, that is also here also. KMnO4 basic medium, you will get K2MnO4. In acidic medium, KMnO4. This is purple color, that is green color. So in one word questions, otherwise in your entrance also this point is important. Next, so these two structures now we are going to discuss. So structure and hybridizations. So structure, bond angle and hybridizations of these two. So manganese is which group? Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. So this is third group, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So already in last chromium what we discussed, here also same thing. So the maximum oxidation state is +7. Next, the maximum bonds, generally the group number only. So maximum bonds, otherwise bond order, that is also 7. So while writing the structure you must follow the 7 bonds. Less than 7 also no problem. More than 7 is the wrong one. So here one side you take KMnO4. So another side you take K2MnO4. See here 4 2s are 8. So one positive is gone. So this oxidation state is +7. So no problem. Next 4 2s are 8. In the 2 gone. So this manganese is +6. Less than 7. Yes, no problem. So now you see the structures. So maximum bonds will be 7. If you write more than 7, that is wrong. Less than 7, no problem. So manganese I am writing. Here oxygens. One oxygen, second oxygen, third oxygen, fourth oxygen I am writing like this. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 bonds, no problem. So now here 1 sigma. Here sigma pi, sigma pi, sigma pi. So we have 4 sigma bonds. So 4 sigma bonds, 0 lone pairs. 4 plus 0 means 4. 4 means hybridization sp3. 4 out of 4 are sigma bonds. So that's why the structure is tetrahedral. So the bond angle is nearer to 109 degrees 28 minutes. So everything you know these things in your chemical bonding chapter of first year. Next, you come to K2MnO4. Here also manganese you take. So here 2 potassiums are there. So that's why O minus K plus. O minus K plus. And double bond O, double bond O. Now you see the bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bonds. Less than 7, no problem. So how many sigma bonds? So the structure is related to sigma bonds and lone pairs only. So here also 4 sigma bonds, 0 lone pairs. So the number is 4. 4 means what? sp3. sp3 means structure is tetrahedral. Bond angle is nearer to 109 degrees 28 minutes. So hybridization structure of both compounds are same, but oxidation state is +7, here +6. Color is also, it is purple color. It is green color. So here also in potassium dichromate, potassium chromate, that also we have discussed in last class. So these are also 2 important compounds in KMnO4. So now here what you must remember means KMnO4 ABN 513. So here you must remember KMnO4 ABN 513. In K2Cr2O7 what we discussed? A6. K2Cr2O7 acidic medium only important, 6 electrons are exchanges. So but here KMnO4 acidic medium 5 electrons, basic medium 1 electron, neutral medium 3 electrons are exchanges. So these basic equations are the important. You perfect these things. Next we can do the equations. So here 1 KMnO4 in acidic medium. So direct I am writing KMnO4 in acidic medium, H plus. So 5 electrons are exchanges. Here 4 2s are 8. So means 1 is positive, remaining 7. Next, here it becomes as Mn plus 2. So how many electrons are exchanges here to here? 5 electrons are exchanges. So in acidic medium, KMnO4 manganese become as Mn plus 2. You try to by heart only. So this is experimentally happened. So that's why that is important. Next B. KMnO4 in basic medium, OH minus. This is acidic medium. This is a basic medium. In basic medium, 1 electron only exchanges. So that is K2MnO4. So here oxidation state plus 7. Here oxidation state plus 6. Only 1 electron is exchanges. So in basic medium, 1 electron exchanges. Next, neutral medium, KMnO4 in the presence of water. Water you are taken as neutral medium. So it becomes as MnO2. So this is plus 4. This is plus 7. Here to here. How many electrons are exchanges? 3 electrons are exchanges. So KMnO4 acidic medium, 5 electrons exchanges. Your answer is Mn plus 2. KMnO4 basic medium, 1 electron exchanges. Your answer is K2MnO4. KMnO4 neutral medium, 3 electrons exchanges. Your answer is MnO2. If you remember these things perfect, then only the problem will be solved. So now KMnO4 acidic medium problems we will see. See the question they will give. So same compounds only we can take. KMnO4 HI, hydrogen iodide in the presence of acidic medium, question mark. They will provide like that. So KMnO4 acidic medium, always you remember. What is that? KMnO4 ABN513. So acidic medium, 5 electrons exchanges. So that means you take KMnO4 plus H2SO4 gives rise. So whatever the equation, you write here plus minus, here plus minus. So combine both. So here potassium is plus 1. Manganese. So 5 electrons exchanges means what? Already we seen. Manganese become as Mn plus 2. So in acidic medium, manganese is plus 2. Oxygen is there, minus 2. Here hydrogen plus SO4 minus 2. So what are the compounds? This plus combining with this minus. So your answer is K2SO4 plus manganese and sulfate MnSO4. So hydrogen and oxygen H2O. Now you balance. Here 1 potassium, but here 2 potassium. So that's why I am taking 2. Here 2 manganese are there, here 1 is there. So that's why I am writing 2. Now here 2 sulfate and 1 sulfate, 3 sulfates are there. So that's why I am writing 3. So here 3H2. So that's why I am writing 3. So now oxygen, so 4 2s are 8. So here 3. So that means what? 5 nascent oxygens are coming. So this is the basic equation of KMnO4 in acidic medium. So now you take this basic equation and you do something. So here the question is given what? KMnO4 reacted with HI in acidic medium, what happens? So that is given question. So first you write down the basic. Yes, basic equation you written. So HI. So HI is taking that oxygen. So one oxygen requires 2 hydrogens. So I am taking 2 HI. So H2O is going outside plus I2. So here first step you are getting 5 oxygens, you are utilizing 1 oxygen. How to neutralize? So the second equation is multiplied with 5. So oxygens are cancelled. So 5 oxygens cancelled. Now balance. So 2 KMnO4 plus 3 H2SO4 plus 5 2s are 10 HI gives rise K2SO4 plus 2 MnSO4 plus 3 plus 5 8 water plus 5 I2. So this is a balanced equation. But in your textbook these are not given. So in what way they are given? This is also simplified. So here 2 potassiums are there. Here 2 potassiums are there. You cancel. So that means what? 2 MnO4 potassiums are gone. Minus 2 plus. Here H plus. So 3 2s are 6. Here H plus 10. So that's why 16 H plus. Plus sulfates, 3 sulfates. Here 1 plus 2, 3 sulfates cancelled. Next 10 I minus. H pluses are taken. I mean potassium so sulfates gone. Here what? Manganese 2 Mn plus 2 8 H2O plus 5 I2. So in your textbook directly this equation only provided. If you are taken that one, so you can't write. First of all, basic equation you write down and you apply. You take this one. Next, left side, right side, any cancellation is there, you cancel. Direct equation you will get. Next, one more question we can take. Same only. See, you take Na2SO3 is liquid. So first of all, you take basic equation. So what happens? You take Na2SO3 plus oxygen. You are getting Na2SO4. Above 5 coming here 1 only. So you multiply with 5. So 5 oxygens cancelled. You are getting 5 Na2SO3. So same thing, K2SO4, 2MnSO4, 3 water. Next 5 Na2SO4. It is balanced. So now you want to simplified manner means 2 MnO4 minus 2 plus 3 2s are 6 H plus. Sulfates are cancelled. 5 2s are 10 sodium. 5 2s are 10 sodium. That also cancelled. So 5 moles of SO3 minus 2. This one use rise. These are cancelled. 2 Mn plus 2 sulfate cancelled. Plus 3 water. Sodiums are cancelled. 5 SO4 minus 2. So in your textbook they are provided this much only. How it is came? They are not provided. So you must do like this. Then only you can do. So that is the important. Next. Suppose carbon you can take. So carbon powder treated with KMnO4. So then what happens? Carbon taking oxygen will become as a CO2. So carbon is taking 2 oxygens. It becomes as CO2. See, here 2 oxygens coming 5. So how to balance this one? So this is multiplied with 5. This is multiplied with 2. So total what happens? 4 KMnO4. So 6 H2SO4. 5 carbon. Next 2 K2SO4. 4 MnSO4. 3 2 is 6. Next 5 CO2. So like that, whatever they are given, so basic equation you take this one and according to that you can conclude that one. See, one more, aldehyde you are taken, CH3, C double bond OH. So that become as acid. So CH3, COOH. So remaining is question mark. So here also you can utilize. First basic equation you write down. So this is our basic equation. So now you take aldehyde, CH3, C double bond OH. Now utilize one oxygen. You are getting CH3, COOH. So for balancing it is multiplied with 5. So now instead of here 2 KMnO4, 3 H2SO4, 5 cancel. So you are getting 5 aldehyde, CH3, C double bond OH. So here K2SO4, MnSO4 is 2, water is 3. Next, acid are 5. So whatever the equation about KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7 they asked means first of all you write down basic equation. So in what way systematically I moved, in the same manner you can move. Suppose you want to by heart means you can't write. Just go back and see in your textbook.